What do you have in your purse? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, Chewbacca. The system that goes along with this? Good morning. Taco Bell dog.
Prices are whatever you want to give me.
Okay. What are these dolls called?
Oh, those are the Lala Loopsies.
Oh, Lucy's.
Yeah. That's actually a different collection. My daughter, she wanted to keep it, and I'm like, oh my god, seriously?
Yeah, I'm not familiar with those. These I've never seen before. Lala Loopsy. The whole container. I don't know, maybe they can make a deal. Oh. Xbox controller. Man, do you have the system that goes along with this?
The Xbox?
Yeah.
No.
Just a controller and stuff?
Yeah, my kids just put things out. I don't even know what they're doing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I used to have things that I'm still coming, you know, just
Gotcha. Do you have any games at all?
games.
That's missing the back. Okay.
Maybe.
What would you want for the container if I buy the whole container? I would want that too.
These guys go with them. These cars.
Oh, the cars go with them too?
I mean, yeah. They
Okay.
are part of the dolls. Whatever.
Oh, gotcha. I didn't know that. I thought it was just the dolls.
Yeah. No, and then this one right here, and it works.
Okay.
They're not too old. That was a tough one.
Sorry, I catch you ready.
No, it's okay. How about you give me 30 for all of them?
30? All right, let me look through them and see.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to pick up video game controllers if you can get them super cheap, even if they're missing the back so you think they don't work. You can actually sell those for parts on eBay. The Xbox One controllers usually go for about 10 to 15 bucks just for parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are heavy. 12, 13. Is this new? Oh, you taped it together.
Possibly.
That looks like it was taped.
If you want it, you can take it for $1.
Gotcha. Good, man. Just got back from Virginia. Picked through the 100-mile sale up in Virginia, so. Yeah, did okay. Yeah, drive the truck up. Does she need ham with that? Here, I can carry it for you. Yeah. I got it for you. That's a big box. Whew. That was a big box.
I don't even know what we have in there.
It's heavy. I don't know either, but. What do you have in your purse? $1? Okay. Do you have any more purses? Or is that it?
See, we just put things out, but I don't even know what else.
On that bag there?
Yeah, this one's pretty beat up.
Okay. I'll look through it.
Yeah.
Would you do, at this pile here, would you do 30 for the pile?
I can do 5 per Alexa.
5 per Alexa?
So I can do 40.
40. Would you do 20 on the figures? Would do 20 of the figures, 5 a piece of those, it'd be 30, 31, 32, 33.
How about 35?
35, okay. I'll do 35.
Oh, yeah. 100%.
Thank you. The echoes, I mean.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Yep. Good morning. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Legends of the Hidden Temple. Huh.
Legends of the Hidden Temple.
I see the kid stuff. Do you have any video game stuff at all? Yeah,
No, not really.
sports card stuff. I see the baseball stuff. So.
Yeah, I know. My son took all his sports stuff with me to college.
Gotcha. Before you buy any bats, make sure you guys check it for damage. Cracks, dents, chips in it. Nothing's worse than buying a bat, bringing it home, and then found out the bat is damaged. Man, this bat's got some good use out of it. Yeah. See the chunks taken out of it.
I know, right? Yeah.
Oh. Did you sit up yesterday?
No.
No. I saw the
They didn't have it yesterday. I think they crossed out the Friday.
Oh, did they? Oh, okay. That makes more sense then. Is this homemade or?
No, it's
No, it's
Pottery
actually
Barn.
Oh, really?
Way back in the day, Pottery Barn used to have a Marvel connection or something.
Huh.
So
Any idea how old it is?
I would say probably 2008.
2008. Oh, really? And the sound as a whole, you said? Or just a blanket?
Yeah, well, you can bump stuff if you want. There's a comforter, there's a sham, and then there's that like throw cover. And then the other stuff, the other one doesn't go with it. It's just a,
Oh, that doesn't go with it?
I mean, we used it together.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
different color, but it's not part of the set they sold. Pottery Barn.
Just interesting. Yeah, I love Spider-Man. Was there any damage on it that you know of?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't remember seeing. And how much you said 5?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take this. What is this? This is puzzles?
They're like little ones you make like blocks with.
Oh,
You can see on the outside, like they're sheets of them.
oh, gotcha. What do you have in your cameras?
There's a couple bucks.
Oh, $2. Do they work at all?
You know, I don't know. There's my son's. I would think probably not.
Yeah. Are the Funko Pops and stuff for sale too? Or the Pokemon box?
I don't know. Not Pokemon's empty. My
Oh.
son's got that inside. I don't know about that's where my son's stuff sitting there. So.
Okay. All right. 12 bucks.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yep. Good morning. Good. How are you? There's only one down there so far. So I just came down this way, so I haven't made my rounds yet.
Yeah, they technically don't open till 8, but people started coming in at
Yeah.
6:30, so.
Yeah. I came last year when you guys had it, or the previous years. How much are your plush?
Oh, just $1.
$1.
Aren't they adorable?
I know.
It comes with a baby. Do you have kids?
I do.
You
I
don't
have a
have
stepdad.
girls, do you?
No.
If you can do $1 each,
That's
I'm
fine.
selling them for my neighbor.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. And she doesn't have kids, so they're in really good condition.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Everything is like in perfect condition.
How much is this?
I don't know, 3 or 4?
Yeah, that's cool.
There's also the other little stuffed animal. I think he's also
Yeah, Star Wars.
pet carriers.
Yeah.
No, the one in the dog carrier there.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh,
put him
Chewbacca.
in there.
I'll buy Chewbacca. I didn't see Chewbacca.
I put them in there because I didn't know those were dog holders, so I put something in there.
Awesome.
Thanks.
All right, thank you. Good morning. How you guys doing today?
Okay, alrighty.
Oh, this is cool.
Okay. When I was working at Disney as a
You work? Oh, you worked at? You worked at? Oh, cast member. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, yeah. Do you have any other Disney stuff?
I have Plush, Beanie Babies and stuff like that. You want to
Oh, yeah, I can take a look at those.
Okay.
Sure. Nintendo Wii. $5. Your sport. Do you have any more Wii video games at all? Or is this it?
I think that is it.
Okay.
I bought it from a kid.
Gotcha.
Let me find that thing.
This jacket's awesome.
The only flaw in it, because it's so old,
Yeah.
one of the arms have just a little bit of wear on it.
Okay. That's okay. I mean, you expect that. It's 24 years old.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, it's, I mean, you get very good care of it.
I'm a very clean, caring.
Oh, I can tell. You can tell when I go to garage sales. I can tell like how people keep, you know, how they keep their stuff in what condition and stuff like that.
Even the inside, you can tell.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
It's clean.
Yeah, that's cool. I always laugh because when you see like the vintage, like the old stuff from like the 90s, 80s, 90s, early 2000s, how big the tags were back in the day.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like you get those giant tags.
Yeah. And then I have all
Okay.
that stuff.
Oh yeah.
I have pins, but I don't know where the pins are at.
Oh,
right now.
okay. I would be interested in the pins. What are you asking for the plush?
For the what?
The plush.
Oh, probably the Disney pins. All the little pins I have.
Would you buy those when you were at Disney?
Yes.
Did you?
Yes, I did. Yeah, I worked there in 2000 to, or I think it was 1999 to about 2004 or
Gotcha.
something like that.
I think I'll pass on those if you're asking $4 or $5 a piece of those. But I appreciate you bringing those out for me. Let's see what else you got here. I always like the big old beer steins, but then I'm like, what am I going to do with them? You know what I mean?
We had it for 8, we put it for 5 because he had like 10 of them things.
Yeah.
Like, oh my lord.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's one thing I feel good that everybody compliments how clean my stuff is. Yeah, they bought it.
Nice to meet you. Good luck on the road.
What else is here? Yeah, so I'm glad you guys are set up. There wasn't a lot of yard sales going on today. Nah, because of holiday weekend.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah. All right, so you 5 for the Wii, 10 for the jacket. I see you got Wii Sport. You said you didn't have any other games?
No, that was only thing.
Okay.
I had the jockey stick and
Yeah. Do you have a 5? That jacket's so full. That made my day.
that's good.
That last sale was absolutely nuts, and here's a crazy thing. Check out this ad right here. This was a Friday, Saturday sale. I'm on day 2, and it even says in the ad, Disney jacket and Wii game. So, I don't know why no one showed up there, but I am super glad they didn't. That jacket has sold anywhere from like $150 to like $300 over the last 2 years. So for $10, that was an absolute steal. She took very good care of that jacket. So I'm hoping to get around $200 for it, $150, $200. This day started out really crappy because there wasn't a lot of sales. It was a holiday weekend. And when there's not a lot of sales, you guys need to spend extra time at these sales. That sale that I got the On Cloud shoes, I normally would have grabbed the shoes and just booked off to the next sale because it was a community sale, but there wasn't a lot of stuff going on there. So I dug down deeper. I found those Star Wars lightsabers, even non-working ones. Both those will sell for like $25 as a pair. I saw the lady pull out that Spider-Man quilt, and it just looked old. It looked unique to me. And do not sleep on comforters, guys. I know that sounds weird. In vintage sheets and comforters can sell really, really good. When I saw the Spider-Man there, and I knew it was from the early 2000s, I wanted it for $5. I was going to take a chance on it. I thought it was going to be about 30 to 40 bucks, somewhere in that ballpark. I had no idea that thing was selling for 150 to 200 bucks. So what a score. Be on a lookout. It's from the Pottery Barn. Also, too, keep a lookout for comforter from Ralph Lauren, because they can sell for a couple $100 as well. The Nurse Flipper just actually picked up a couple of those on her latest thrifting video. We're going to be back on Whatnot next week. I think at 7 p.m. we're going to be doing it on a Disney blowout show. All kind of vintage Disney toys, merchandise, pins, clothing, you name it. It's going to have a little bit of everything there. So go check it out. If you guys are new to Whatnot, you guys get $15 to sign up. I'll put a link down in the description here down below. Thank you for all the support this past month. We've been gaining a ton of followers. I can't do that without you guys. We're on the road to 20,000. So please like and subscribe. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.